What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa.
We all love our cats, but they need to have their freedom, so that means a cat flap to let them in and out. And of course, if you've got rabbits or mice, other small animals inside, that's a problem. And what happens if your cat brings in something like a dead bird? Well, that's again another problem. That's where our flap ID comes in. Some people want house rabbits or fish in their house at the same time as having a cat. If this is the case, installing a cat flap is a risk with other cats going near the pets indoors, which may put you off buying a cat flap and installing it. Of course, this damages your cat's freedom. However, if you did install a cat flap, it could bring in whatever it wanted, like a dead bird or a dead mouse. Other cats can also enter the house now as well. The solution is to lock the cat flap down to a certain cat. This can be achieved with RFID. Currently, cat flaps do exist that have RFID, which is radio frequency identification, whilst others use cameras to check the cat's features and ensure that it's the right cat that's going in. But neither of these designs feature a camera that can be used to determine if there is a dead bird in its mouth. This would be an incredibly useful feature and an extra addition to both of these designs. Both of these designs are a very good idea, but they haven't been implemented to the full extent. There's no preventing of dead birds or dead mice being brought into the house with either of these products. The first step occurs when the cat, which is wearing an RFID collar, approaches the door. The next step is to scan the cat and ensure that the collar is one of the collars that is registered to that RFlap ID. If that cat is registered with that RFlap ID, it next uses the camera to scan for dead animals in its mouth, such as birds or mice. If both conditions are met, the cat is permitted to enter. If not, the cat flap stays locked and prevents any other cats entering. The app is updated to reflect the cat that has entered or left the cat flap. The user can easily find out which cats are in and find out which cat last entered. Now the owner knows which cats are in and knows that there are no other cats in the house with them. So the app interface permits the user to get more information about their cats. So at the moment we can see that Scat and Silver are indoors and all the other cats are outdoors. We can also get the battery information, and we can get the last shot of the last cat to enter or exit. If we go back up and one of the cats were to go outdoors, you can see that this is automatically refreshed on the app interface. As well as that, we're permitted to lock and unlock the cat flap. This means that your own cats can't escape, which is ideal if you're going on holiday. We made RFlap ID efficient by making it follow a certain procedure. When the cat moves in front of the RFlap ID, the first thing it checks is if it is wearing the correct collar. If it's not wearing the correct collar, it doesn't do anything. However, if the cat is wearing the correct collar, it will perform the next step, which is to scan the cat with the camera. If the cat has anything in its mouth, such as a dead animal, it will automatically reject the cat and prevent it from entering. If not, it goes to the next step, which is to let the cat in, and if the cat does go in, then it updates the app interface to show this.